Hello everyone and welcome back to jluisvlog kung saan libre lamang matuto. Sa video nito, mag-DIY case tayo using Crepe Papers. Ayan. Very affordable lang naman to guys sa mga school supply store and even the mall. And kayang-kaya nyo itong gawin kahit kayo lang mag-isa sa bahay nyo. Also, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung paglinis ko nito, yes guys, linisan ko to using baking soda, vinegar, and dishwashing liquid. You can check out my video. I will drop the link below para malinisan nyo na yung mga dirty silicone case nyo. So no further ado, let's go to our materials. What we need is silicone case, crepe papers, depende po yung color sa gusto nyo, basin, scissors, and of course, our hot water. After preparing our materials, let's go to our procedures. First, prepare your basin, then put a boiling hot water. Yes, guys. Dapat mainit-init pa siya para yung ilalagay nating crepe paper later will dissolve yung color and ma-extract niya yung color na desire natin. Second, place the first color of your choice if you want dual tone to the basin or tupperware with hot water. Then let the colors bleed or extracted. So, I'm doing dual tone na color and my first color is blue. Yun muna yung ilalagay natin sa basin natin. Then, we will use scissors to cut into stripes or into pieces yung crepe paper. Kasi, hindi naman yan kasya dyan sa basin lahat. Ayan. And after cutting into pieces, let it soak to our basin para mag-extract na yung color niya. Let's wait for it para dumikit din yung color dun sa case natin. Pero don't make it super warm kasi dapat mainit-init pa yung tubig para mag-react agad yung color. And again, since we are doing dual tone, I will only put the half portion of the silicone case dun sa crepe paper or yung ine-extract natin yung color. So, ayan. Half lang guys kung dual tone yung gusto nyo. But, again, you can make one color lang kung gusto nyo. Now, let's soak the case dun sa crepe paper. Mga 10 minutes or kung nag-react na yung color, then good to alisin na siya. Ayan. So, ako pinatong ko yung crepe paper mismo dun sa ibabaw para dumikit agad yung color. So, eto na guys yung result. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, taray, diba? Asul na asul siya. And again guys, I'm doing dual tone, so kaya half lang siya. It's look like ombre style. Ayan. And now we will repeat the procedure kung paano ko in-extract yung blue color sa crepe paper. Put some hot water, then let it extract or let it bleed. Kumbaga, yun yung term, let the color bleed of the crepe paper. Now, kapag na-extract na yung color, let's put again our case and yung half portion lang guys para ma-achieve natin yung dual tone na hinahanap natin. Ayan. So, again, ipapatong ko yung ibang crepe paper sa case para dumikit agad yung color. Ayan. Soak muna natin until dumikit yung color. And here's our final product, guys. Look at it. Diba? From old phone case to a new look case, diba? You can also add some glitters and stickers. Bahala na kayo kung anong trip nyo. Pero, for me, this kind of design is okay na sa akin. So, yun lamang guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you to my next video. Again, this is JLC Vlogs, kung saan libre lamang ang matuto. Ingat!